Shining Stars, welcome to another fun and exciting class with Miss Anna. In today's class, we will be talking about the sun. In our previous class, we talked about recycling and we said to recycle means to reuse. We also made mention of things we can recycle like our newspapers, our plastic bowl and all that. In today's class, we'll talk about the sun. The sun is a star at the center of our solar system that gives us light. The sun is a star at the center of the solar system that gives us light. Earth is always rotating or spinning around. It takes 24 hours for Earth to complete one turn. Now, the part of the day when we see the sun is called daytime. The part of the day when we see the sun is called daytime. And the part of the day when we don't see the sun is called nighttime. Now, this is when the sun goes to rest. We don't see the sun. During the day, Earth turns towards the sun. The sun looks like it's moving from east to west across the sky, but the sun is not moving. Earth is the one that moves. Earth keeps rotating, it keeps spinning around. Now, at night, our part of Earth faces away from the sun. Now, at night, the Earth moves away from the sun. Now, that is where you now see, oh, it's night time. Now, Earth never stops rotating. If Earth did stop, one side would stay in the sunlight at all time, and the other side will be dark. Now you see why the Earth keeps rotating, because when the Earth stops rotating, one side will stay at sunlight and the other part will be dark, and that is not fair. Now, stars. Stars are big ball of very hot gas that gives off light and heat. And stars normally come out at night time. Now, when the sun goes to rest at night, Mr. Stars come in to give us light. We know the light we get from the stars are not as bright as the ones we get from the sun. Now, Earth travels through space as it moves around the sun. As Earth moves, we see different stars in the sky in different months. Because Earth is always rotating or spinning, the stars change position in the night. Stars like the sun change position during the day. Now, children, what do you think will happen when the sun disappears? Oh, like the sun is going to go on a vacation. Now, let's watch this video and know what is going to happen when the sun chooses to go on vacation.
What if the sun disappeared? We would need a lot of flashlights. No. The sun's enormous mass and gravitational power locks the planets in their orbits. If the sun disappeared, the Earth would fly off in a straight line into space. Earth would collapse into darkness only after 8 minutes, as sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. Moon would disappear as it doesn't produce light of its own. Plants would die, as no sunlight means no photosynthesis. Within a week, Earth's temperature would drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, dropping to -100 degrees Fahrenheit within a year, making it impossible for us to survive. Ocean surfaces would freeze, however. Water in the interior would stay liquid, due to heat from the Earth's core. Only microorganisms who don't require photosynthesis would survive by converting coarse heat into the energy they need. Thus, without the sun, humans wouldn't exist.
Animals and plants need the sun to survive. Plants need the sunlight from the sun to make their food. through the process called photosynthesis. Now, plants make their food with the light they get from the sun through the process called photosynthesis. Now, without the sun, the earth will be dark. Now, without the sun, there will be no light and the earth will be covered with darkness. Now, the entire world will be covered with darkness and no sun to keep us warm. So, snow will have to take over and thereby endangering the lives of everyone, including plants and animals. Now, children, now you see we need the sun for vital reasons. This brings us to the end of today's class. Bye.